Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake pads for this Nissan Rogue. This is 2020. It might apply to a lot of other models as well. So for this we need the actual new brake pads. We need this C-clamp. The size is 4-inch. You can get it, I will provide you the link to purchase it. And then maybe some grease and flat screwdriver. This is needed, and of course to open the tires, whatever other tools you have, you need it. Have the jack ready. I'm one person, so I have to record and do this. I'm gonna just open here this nut, and then I'm gonna lift this up and insert it. This is the nut 14, and this is also 14. I'm gonna use this large one. I will provide you the link below the video if you want to purchase it from the affiliated stores. I will also get paid. It will help me. So now this is removed. It has grease. I'm not gonna touch it. So now I can lift this up like that and then remove the brake pad very easily. Get some steel wire or thread or something so you can attach it somewhere here at the back and it stays there, won't bother you. Now let's just remove it. So this is the first one. This doesn't have any other piece. So this one has this extra metal, and I'm using this OE Pro series. The model is this. I will provide you the link if you want to purchase it from affiliated stores, so it will help me. These are the new pieces. So as I said, you do need to replace it, but my kit comes with this. It has a big bag of stuff. And here, I believe this is the piece that I received. So the brake pad will go in here, and people apply some kind of silicone or grease there. I have a grease here. Let me just apply some. And let's just put this in here so it fits. Yes, it snaps nicely. And this is now ready. I'm gonna put some more grease on this side, on this side. And as you can see, this has been worn out and there's a lot of rusting. So I got this piece. Let's just put it here. And snap it so you don't make mistake. And now let's push this. fit. Let's have some grease on this one. And this is round, it will not go like this. Just put the piece, push it down, and if this doesn't fit, or remove the bottom a little out, and then this will, yes. So the other piece just got out. Let's put it back. See, the piston will not fit if I bring this down. Now we have to push this inwards. Some people do it there. I have this 4-inch clamp. I can do this by putting the old brake pad here, and let's open it enough like this, and hold it with a finger and then push this. Let's see. Like that. So done. The piston is fully in. Now let's push these together so there is no gap. So I remove the gap. There is no gap now. Let's remove this wire, and then this goes. I'm not gonna do anything, making sure that this rubber is, this piece is aligned. And let's put this. That's it. Now, thank you for watching. Please thumb up the video and also subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it.